Hi, I'm Siddharth. You'd agree that Sony's immersive sound experience is hard to resist, even when you're on the move. So it brings you one more innovative product, the W8 CH710N that helps you enjoy uninterrupted music without any wires and noise. They have active noise cancellation, so wherever you are, their dual noise sensors block out all the noise, letting you get lost in the audio. Their big 30mm driver unit delivers deep bass and wide frequency range. They can run continuously for 35 hours on a single charge, and 10 minutes of a quick charge gives you 1 hour of playback time. And in case the battery runs out, connect the aux cable for an uninterrupted music experience. They have a built-in mic for hands-free calling and support voice assistant for access to music, information and more. Their soft and oval-shaped earpads are designed for all-day comfort. The swivel fold design lets you carry them safely, and they weigh just 233 grams. Get them today and start a new musical journey.